Hey guys, every time I do that, like this thing goes up. This is a new top I got from Target. In case you guys are wondering, showing my clavicle. Okay, you guys, this is gonna be a rant, so here we go. I told you guys I want to start doing rants. As one of this series on my channel that I'm gonna start up again. And I have a rant for you guys today for sure. So if you don't like super sassiness, this isn't the video for you. And strong opinions, this isn't the video for you. But if you miss my opinion videos, if you miss my rants, here we go. Coming at you with one today. So I was thinking about what should my first rant be? Let's see, let's get a little video. Okay, my first rant. Okay, and then I was like, okay, well, what's been pissing me off lately? This has been pissing me off, and I'll tell you why. And there's a good message in this video too, because, yeah. But, last few weeks, another one of these, and this is my opinion, lame trends have been going around YouTube. And this is the latest one. And this is that I tried so-and-so's makeup tutorial. And they put their face, trying a tutorial, and the beauty guru's face next to them. And they put the beauty guru's name in the title, and fair enough. And they're like, oh, this is just so funny and so funny. Okay, well, how is this original? Trying someone's makeup tutorial. Everybody who learns makeup searches up beauty gurus and copies their tutorial for information and inspiration. That has been happening since the dawn of time, since YouTube started. Since the days of Michelle Phan being, you know, like started or whoever. Katie Johnson, people like that started doing all this makeup tutorial stuff. Why is that anything new? Why is this suddenly a trend? I'll tell you why. Because it's just another attempt for these big beauty gurus to promote each other. And that's all it is. You know, I wouldn't actually mind this tag so much if it was bigger beauty gurus promoting smaller channels. So instead of I tried Manny MUA's tutorial, Tana Mojo, Jeffree Star, people like that, Naked Tutorials, who all have millions of subscribers, why don't you try a beauty guru who has under 50,000 subscribers? And then you can be doing some good, yes, some good, and promoting people who are struggling instead of promoting people who are always on the trending page and have millions of subscribers already. People like Manny MUA, Jeffree Star, Tana Mojo don't need more promotion. They have, what, 2-3 million subscribers each? They don't need the promotion, okay? They don't need it. Okay, so why don't you title it what you really want to title it? I want to put this beauty guru's name in my title and my thumbnail for views. Because that's what you're doing. You're not doing this for a laugh. Because it's not that funny. It's stupid. I think it's a lame tag anyway. But if you're going to do a lame tag, at least have a real purpose. Promote someone's channel who's struggling and doesn't get on the trending page. These people who are always listed for the people who are trying the tutorials are always on the trending page or on the recommended section. And good on them. They're popular, I get it, whatever. But, I don't know, I would like to see people who need the promotion getting the promotion. I mean, am I right or wrong here? I don't know. That's just my opinion. And I think that this tag would have been a lot more cuter. A lot more beneficial and a lot more fun to watch. I'll be honest, I would have watched these. I didn't even watch these other tutorials because I don't need to see your lame attempt at recreating some look that already has millions of views. Whatever. I don't care. I really don't. I mean, not to hate, but I don't really think makeup tutorials are interesting anyway. But even if I did watch makeup tutorials, I would want to see something that's unique. How is this unique? Ooh, I'm copying someone's look that they did 3 years ago, and I'm going to put their title there, their name in the title just for views. I don't know, I just think it's lame. And then this isn't the first lame tag that's been going around. Then, last month it was mixing all my foundations together. Really? What are we, 5? Mixing all the foundations together and let's see what it happens. Of course it's going to look bad. It's just, let's see what happens. Ugh. I don't know, it's so lame, you guys. I can't be the only one who feels this way. I'm sure some of you guys feel the same way as I do. I can't be the only one. It's just so lame. Oh my god, I just can't deal with it anymore. And then before that, remember a couple years ago there was trying full face of kids makeup. Oh, God. Every kid goes to Claire's and gets Claire's makeup when they're like 10. How is that something unique? Why? Because you're an adult doing it? It's something fun to watch? I don't know. I don't know. Oh my gosh. On a lighter note, I look really good today, but hair down, spring vibes. Anyway, so that's what I think about this trend. And then I was thinking about the past lame trends, like the cinnamon challenge. Remember like 6 years ago, I think it was 2012, right? When they did that cinnamon challenge? Everyone put cinnamon in their mouth and coughed it up and nearly died. Or then the Tide Pod thing. Really? That happened a few months ago. Oh my God. Really? Eating Tide Pods? That's a challenge? Okay. Feeling the back of my shirt, like, let's go here. Okay, Tide Pod challenge. What is that? Really? Let me try to see if I can kill myself. How is that a challenge? That's lame. Okay, Tide Pod challenge, cinnamon challenge, salt and ice challenge, all these lame challenges. Can we have a challenge that's actually interesting? I love those cutesy videos that used to be around YouTube. I Heart Spring Tag, I Heart Fall Tag, Drugstore Makeup Tag. That was cute. At least that was informative. Telling us what you like for the season, what kind of drugstore makeup products you like. That's the kind of interesting thing that I want to see if I wanted to watch those kind of videos. Not, oh, you know that huge beauty guru who already has all these views and subscribers? Let me promote them more. Let me get more subscribers using their thumbnail and their views, which is no problem, is if you were honest about it, but you're not. And let me just promote more big YouTubers that don't need promotion. And do some lame tag that everyone else is doing. And then everybody's doing it. My whole subscription is nothing but that now. Last wee's makeup tutorial. I tried. And so it's the same 4 people. Tana Mojo, Nikki Tutorials, Manny MUA, Jeffree Star. A few others, but those are the ones I see all the time. It's just so lame. And everyone's like, oh my God, this tag is so funny. It's so interesting. It's so fun. I'm gonna sit here and like recreate this tutorial from like 5 years ago that some huge beauty guru did. Oh my God. Have we really run out of ideas? Is this where it's come to? I have never liked these lame tags. I mean, I like the tag question videos, but I don't like these other tags that are going, I don't know. So, I can't be the only one that thinks this. I know that there's somebody that probably agrees with me. I don't know, maybe I'm just overdoing this. Maybe I'm just being a hater. I don't know. Let me know. What do you think? Like, do you think this tag is funny? Are you enjoying this tag? Is this just another lame tag? Or that boyfriend does my voiceover. Oh my God. Okay, maybe I'm a little bit hater. I'm not gonna lie. Fine, okay, I'll admit I'm a little bit of a hater. But still, this is a lame tag, okay? Okay, so like, how is your boyfriend doing your makeup voiceover interesting? Ooh, a straight guy's doing your voiceover instead of you. So interesting. I don't find that interesting at all. Now, some tags were interesting, like the no makeup challenge. No, sorry, the no makeup challenge, which is today. No, the no mirror makeup challenge, right? Yeah, that was interesting. That was unique, I think. Okay, or the $20 makeup challenge, 5-minute makeup challenge. Those were interesting, fair enough. But some of these ones have just been so lame over the last 6-7 years, and this one has just really irked me. And at least promote YouTube channels that need the promotion and don't get a chance because of the algorithm drama, and not the same people we've all heard from a million years. And then we can watch you create these new looks, as I stutter, and then we can check out new people's channels and find some interesting new content that isn't lame and regurgitated. I don't know. So that's my opinion on that. I mean, that's just my thoughts. I would love these smaller beauty gurus who really, really want a chance to get the chance. Instead of everybody just promoting the same 4 or 5 beauty gurus who are just constantly on everybody's recommended anyway. That's just my opinion. If you're gonna do it, at least make it more unique. Have a good cause. Do some good. Instead of just boosting your fellow big beauty gurus. Anyway. Same 5 beauty gurus who all live in LA, who all self-promote each other every single time. Story of the beauty community. So I'm glad I'm not part of the beauty community. Okay, that's my opinion on this. Rant over. If you enjoyed this rant, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below to join the Diva Squad. I make videos every single day. I do rants, story times, and so much more. And I will see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah! Bye, guys. And let me know your comments about this subject in the comments below. What do you think? Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? Do you think this is lame? Do you think the beauty gurus should have done beauty gurus who had less than under 50,000 subscribers to make it more interesting? Let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye, guys. Join the Diva Squad.